Hi everybody. About 2 weeks ago, I did a video showing you planting this very tomato into this grow bag and 100% soil cube veggie mix, which is this right here. And the plant is doing great. Look at the dark green foliage of the leaves, the flowers right here, and yes, the tomato is already forming. I'm very happy about that, and this is a very happy plant. And honestly, I haven't done anything to it other than the natural rain that has irrigated it. But it's the combination of the great soil and the good drainage provided by the grow bag. So I love that, and I use grow bags a lot. And in fact, let me show you what else I'm using my grow bags for this year. 16 large grow bags, 20 and 25 gallons for my seed potatoes. I planted these 10 days ago. They're coming up like crazy right now, and they're very happy. Let me just show you down here. This is up by my greenhouse, and this is an area that gets a lot of sun, but it also has the room to put a lot of grow bags, which I needed because I'm out of room in my garden. But look how these are coming up. The dark coloration on the foliage. Look at the growing environment provided by the Soil Cube veggie mix. This is straight veggie mix. Who wouldn't love that? And then some shredded leaves. But if you've never tried grow bags before, I highly recommend it. It's a great option if you run out of room in your garden, and even if you don't and you're just looking for some portability or a place to grow some plants in a sunny area, grow bags provide that. They're strong, they're durable, they're flexible, they've got handles. You can fold them up at the end of the season. So many great benefits of having grow bags. So if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. But when you do, make sure that you use great soil, and the good drainage that the grow bag will provide is a winning combination. You'll be happy and your plants will be very productive as well.